Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. What if a portion of the money you earn today quietly grew in the background day after day, year after year, without you needing to constantly think about it? What if your future self was already being taken care of right now through something simple and automatic? That's the idea behind a 401k. But most people don't fully understand it. And because of that, they miss out on one of the most powerful tools for building long-term wealth. So take a breath, slow down, and let's break it down step by step. A 401k is a retirement savings account offered by employers, designed to help you save and invest for the future instead of receiving all your income in your paycheck. A portion can be set aside automatically before you even see it and placed into your 401k. It begins to grow over time because the money is taken out before it reaches you. It feels almost invisible. You adjust to what you receive, and over time, saving becomes effortless. Not because it's easy, but because it's automatic. Here's something powerful. Many employers offer a match. That means for every amount you contribute, they add extra money into your account. That means for every amount you contribute, they add extra money into your account. It's like getting a bonus just for saving, and over time, that extra contribution grows alongside yours. Imagine your money being doubled piece by piece inside your 401k. Your money isn't just sitting, it's invested, usually in things like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. These investments rise and fall, but over long periods, they tend to grow. And that growth is where the real power lies. Here's where it gets interesting. Your money earns returns. Then those returns also earn returns. And then those returns continue. This is called compounding growth. Building on growth like a snowball, rolling downhill, getting bigger. The longer it rolls, the larger it becomes. Time is what makes this powerful. If you start early, even small contributions have decades to grow. But if you wait, you lose time, and time is the most valuable part, not the amount, but how long it has to grow. A 401k also has tax benefits. In many cases, the money you contribute reduces your taxable income, meaning you pay less in taxes today, and or investments grow without being taxed year after year till you withdraw later in life. There are two common types. Traditional, Roth. Traditional means you save on taxes now, but pay taxes later. Roth means you pay taxes now, but withdraw tax-free later. Each has its place. Depending on your situation, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to invest huge amounts. What matters most is consistency. Small contributions, repeated over time, create momentum, and momentum creates growth. Some people stop contributing when money feels tight or when markets go down. But those moments are often the most important times to stay consistent, because long-term growth depends on staying in, not stepping out. Think about this. Your future self is depending on what you do today. Every small contribution is a message saying, I'm taking care of you. Not tomorrow, not someday, but now. Imagine saving a small amount each month. It doesn't feel like much at first, but over years, with growth and compounding, it becomes something meaningful, something stable, something real. Take a moment. Think about time. Not in days, but in years, in decades, because that's where this truly matters. And now, gently return to the beginning. What if a portion of your money quietly grew every day without effort, without stress, just steady, patient growth? Take a breath, relax, and when you're ready, we begin again. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.